It is an absolute mud pit out here right now. Everywhere we're trying to go with the tractor, we're sinking in, we're getting stuck, and if you've had a tractor for any amount of time, you've probably gotten stuck a little bit, and if you haven't, you will. It's just what's going to happen. Those wheels spin and dig in and just slop you all around. Look at this stuff. Now, it doesn't look very deep, but once your wheels start spinning, they just won't stop spinning. Some of these ruts out here are like 2 feet deep. That's enough to get you stuck. I'm just going to show you a couple quick ways to use the loader on your tractor to maybe help you get out of a sticky situation. I'm going to be doing it on dry land so you can just really see how the tractor moves. And yeah, maybe I'll try it in the mud too. I don't know. We'll see. But we'll definitely try to do it on dry land so you can see how the tractor moves, and maybe that'll give you some ideas if you're really stuck on how to get unstuck. Okay. What you might notice if you're getting stuck a lot is that your front wheels are really what's getting stuck, because your front wheels are smaller than your back wheels. So your back wheel makes a hole, your front wheel goes through it, and it gets stuck. You know, your axle might be getting hung up, maybe a subframe, something like that. So what's the first thing you do when you get stuck? First thing to do is chill and relax. You're gonna get through this one way or another. The tractor will get out. It might take a while, but you can do it. You know, you might have to call somebody out if you're really inexorably stuck. We've done that, how to bring an excavator out. But you know, it's not the end of the world. And I always have to remind myself of that when I get stuck, because I get so frustrated. So number one, stop, really assess the situation. You know, look around the tractor. Is there something I'm butted up against? You know, is there a fence post sticking in my tire? What's going on? You know, check out your rear end. Make sure your 3-point arms are up. A lot of times I've had them down and I've gotten stuck going in reverse and they're jabbed into something. Your drawbar, is that stabbed into something? So those are just really basic things to check. After that, which you probably should have done before that, but we'll get there, is make sure you're in 4-wheel drive. I've been stuck a lot of times and gone, oh, my rear wheels are all that's spinning, my front wheels aren't moving. Put it in 4-wheel drive, we'll get out. Then, you know, try using your locker. So my locker is right here. I press down on this and it locks those rear wheels together, makes them so they have to spin together. Also make sure you're in low gear. They seem like dumb things, but this is what we go through, you know, just thinking, okay, what little things can I do? Next thing to really do, straighten out your wheels. You know, wheels cocked at an angle at the side are going to cause resistance against that hole you've dug yourself into. Straighten them out. Drive forward and reverse, forward and reverse. Slowly, just try to buck your way out. If that doesn't work, then we'll try some loader tricks. So let's show you those. So the first thing you should try is just push your loader down against the ground, get your front wheels up off the ground, and see if maybe going in reverse will just unhook your front wheels from the hole they're in. So let's show you how to do that real easy. Okay, so maybe that didn't work. You know, maybe it wasn't just your front tires that were stuck in the hole. That stinks. Maybe your back wheels are in there really hard too. So the next thing you can do is we're gonna put the tip of the bucket down on the ground, and we're gonna push the tractor backwards with the bucket. You got to be really careful doing it this way. You can damage some components, so you know, listen to the tractor, make sure your RPMs are up. You know, you want to make sure that you've got enough power to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna put the tractor on the tip of the bucket, and we're gonna then rotate the bucket backwards to push the tractor. So really pay attention to what this bucket's doing. I'm not going to be using my reverse. I'm just going to use the bucket to push that whole tractor backwards. It's surprising how much power is there. So let's watch that. Yeah, so that's about it. That's, you know, the most like famous way of getting your tractor unstuck is using that loader bucket to push you backwards. Keep in mind, got some schmutz on the glass. There we go. Keep in mind that you are going to want to have your tractor in neutral if you're doing that. That way you can freewheel backwards. So make sure you're in neutral. You know, sometimes you might have to use your rear wheels to spin while you're doing that. Okay, leave it in first gear. But oftentimes you want to be in neutral. So if you want to see how that action goes on the stick here, I'll show you real quick. We'll jump in the driver's seat and I'll show you how I'm doing that with the joystick, just for fun. Okay, that's how you do it, couple inches at a time. Remember, RPM's up, seat belt on. Don't die because you're frustrated and in a hurry. Seat belt on, get out there, have some fun with your tractor. I'm gonna go do some fun in the mud right now. I'm gonna do some fun, what am I even talking about? Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you guys later.